Snuff. And here it is. No moving kung. No moving ba?
Ooh.
See that? Don't move.
You're like a monster.
Hi guys!
Hey, look here. Ayan, naka-outfit ng Wonder Woman. Anong pangalan nito? Hi, Kuya, iba-vlog kita. Anong pangalan mo, Kuya?
Ako, Alfred Rivera po.
Ah, Mr. Alfred Rivera. So, nagbebenta po ng chicken breast embutido. And peanut, ito yung benta niya, mga loves. Wow, nag-double timing si Kuya. Good job. Bibili tayo ng ano.
Try nyo. Ito man, bagong natulto.
Oo, sige, para may ulam kami. So, bibili kami ng embutido ni Kuya.
Every time I close my eyes, oh, I always see those eyes.
Makain si Boy Pilas. Hi, girl Pilas. You're a boy Pilas. Hi, Pogi. Hey, guys. Hi, mga loves. Nag-grocery kami dito sa Robinson. Yan na lang lagi. Yan na lang lagi. Welcome to my channel. Walang ibang sinasabi. So, nagla-line na kami dito sa cashier, mga loves. Ayan. Papay. Anong mga binili natin? Oh, ayan na. Ayan. Swing, wing, wing. Para yan. Okay. Dance ka? Ay, mga love, it's time. We're gonna go home na. Yeah. I'm going to balayage my hair. See that? My frail, weak hair. I'm going to balayage ko siya, mga loves. Later, sana maging successful si balayage. It's so cold right here, so we're gonna go home. Okay, so we are home na, and actually, tapos na akong mag-ano sa gift namin ni Papay. This is our kungkung and my gift. English ko. Gift namin ni Papay for Father's Day, and hindi pa naman Father's Day ngayon. It's still May 29-ish. Hold on. So, like what I said, we are going to give him our gift. Super duper advanced. Hi, say hi.
Hello.
So by the way, mga loves.
Papa's spinner!
Oh, wait lang. So we are going to, mga loves pala, to announce to you guys na after our promo, if meron kaming extra money, we will be giving we will be setting up another promo or giveaway promo for some kind of a medical siya, medical equipment, kasi we are very thankful. Hindi mo na namin sasabihin kung ano to, but we are very thankful of other people who bless us, yung mga ganon. And also, hindi naman kami mayaman to have a charity. Hindi naman kami big YouTuber para maraming sponsor, but we don't really care. Kahit hindi kami mayaman, but if may extra kami, we also would like to pay it forward or to help other people. We help our relatives, we help our friends, but then expected na, diba, na i-help yung ikaw kung kunwari mag-relative sa'yo, you're expecting na if you're down or financially incapable, we can help you out kasi we're relatives bound by blood, or we're friends bound by friendship. Quiet. But if someone out there, like a random person lang, and then you give that person like 20 pesos or 100 pesos na unexpected, and then who knows, that person pala is having a problem or thinking that there's no hope in humanity, mga ganon, it's gonna give a big difference. Yeah, bye-bye! Okay. Alright.
It's good for you!
Thank you, guys!
Oh, that's from, first, unahan sa itong kuhan.
Okay.
Okay, so ayan yung first gift. Ano nakasulat, Papay?
Is this from Kung Kung? And happy Father's Day. Bye. Thanks for being Kung Kung's Papay. We love you. Here's your own totem para paka sa reality. Para di-stress bitaw. Love you.
Okay, there you go.
Wow, so nice.
Sige daw, ikaw ani. This is very gaan lang, but it's metal and...
Yes, it's metal and it's
Wait lang, ate. Wait lang. Wait ba?
it's balanced.
Ipakita na my loves. Kuan ba, spin? Dugay ba yan siya mag-spin eh?
Yes.
Dili siya ko ano. See?
And you can hear the sounds of
Yeah.
grinding bearings. Okay.
Are you happy with your totem? Like
Very
Inception?
happy.
Are
I'm
you
very happy, thank you. And you hold it. So you assist Papay.
Ang galing na ba? And that one, you will be using that anuhan every day. Nana kay idea? Ah? Branded na!
Ooh, wow.
Anong size? What size?
XL.
So, kana pa na wala na kayo reklamo sa brief.
After 4 years.
Oh, nag-vlog na lagi kahan. So, yun yung aking gift.
Thank you, Annie.
Mm.
Thank you.
So, yun na mga love. Sana happy si Boy Pila sa kanyang mga gift.
And sa lahat ng nanonood na guys, it's blessed to become a father. So, welcome to the club, B1.
B1. In a right way.
No move, ha?
Don't move.
Hello, guys.
What are you
Hello.
doing, Papay?
We are doing some experiment
Nice.
in Kung Kung's nose. And here it is. No moving Kung. No moving bird.
Ooh.
See that? Don't move.
You're like a monster. Ayun, nag-enjoy na.
Finger.
Kaya na ni Ma'am. Ayun, wala ni ha.
Hi, love. Hi, love. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, we're going to where are we going?
SM.
Dito kami. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Hi, mga loves. Nandito na kami ngayon sa mall and we are going to celebrate Boy Pila's nakapasar siya. Wala ko English. Nakapasar siya sa, ano ito ni?
LPI.
Ha? Anong meaning ng LPI?
Certified Linux Professional.
Okay, good job, Boy Pila. So we're going to celebrate that today kahit na may mga issue siya today sa akin. Inaway ako ni Boy Pila today. But manonood kami ng Wonder Woman kaya si Kung Kung ay naka Wonder Woman outfit.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, guys.
Hey, look here. Ayan, naka-outfit ng Wonder Woman. Na parang si Diana Prince, charot.
Let's go.
Ako itong baba si Wonder Woman, diba? Katong Miss Universe. Tingog. Levi's. Hi, Teddy! Bago ba to? Bago kayo dito, Blue Magic?
Parari lang po kasi.
Come on, King, let's eat first. Yep. Come on na. Dito na kami sa The Dim Sum Palace. Ayan si Kung Kung ay mag-order. King? Balik. So, bale, si Boy Pilas, hindi pa siya nakadating. Nandun pa sa may ticket something. Kasi nasa kabilang building kami, mga loves.
Wait lang, Papa.
Oo, so mag-order na kami ng aming uulamin.
This one, spaghetti.
It's not spaghetti, it's pancit. So mag-order muna kami ng aming uulamin, mga loves. At amazing, ang ganda ng kaputian ko dito sa kamerang ete. Di ba kayo nagtataka? Ang puti-puti ko dito sa camera. Pati ang kamay ko maputi.
I want that one.
Amazing.
Sabi ko sa
Okay, so nilipat kami dito sa loob ng restaurant kasi daw magpo-close sila mamaya sa labas. So, okay na rin.
I want to drink water.
Ayan. So, okay. Boy Pilas. Congratulations for passing the LIP.
LPI.
LPI. So, give me some, how do you... Be quiet, eh. So, Boy Pilas, how was it? Were you nervous in taking the exam? Yes or no? Tupag mo.
Yes.
And then, when you found out na you passed, how did you feel?
Wala, masaya.
Masaya? So, Papa is eating first kasi nandiyan na ang kanyang beef wonton.
Biscuit.
Ay, biscuit pala. And then, akin ito, beef wonton. Do you want to eat that? Oh, Wonder Woman. Do you want to eat it, Wonder Woman? Okay. And ayun, this is our putchay na parang hakaw and the most famous lumpiang Shanghai. Okay, let's eat na.
This one.
Okay. Nandito na kami sa sinihan. Ayan. At manonood kami ng Wonder Woman. Ito siya. Oops, ang ganda ni Diana Prince. Tama ba? Si Diana Prince ba ang bida? So, dito kami. Pwede na masalad. Ayun, eto na yung aming mga 3D glasses kasi 3D lang yung in-order ni Boy Pilas. Come on!
Okay, it's so dark in here.
So, trailer pa, we're gonna go ahead and stop the camera. Oh, King ah.
Smile, give. Put your glasses, King.
Ne. Come on, mag-glasses ka muna.
Wait
Put on the glasses, ba?
Oh, Wonder Woman.
See?
Ayun, where's Papay? Oh, nanay, glasses. Ayun, glasses. Very big glasses. So, wala masyadong tao. O, diba? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Watch kami. Cha! 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 Ay, dito kami sa Starbucks.
There's banana. Look, Wonder Woman.
Order na naman kami. Wala naman yan sa akin. Okay. Go. What happened, King? What happened sa Wonder Woman?
Do you like this? Ako na.
Let's go. Ay, mag-ano sa tagpuan? May taxi pa? Go na? Okay, we are leaving Starbucks mga loves. We're gonna go home and hindi na kami mag-grab kasi may taxi.
Thank you, Wonder Woman.
Bye-bye na!
Let's go.
Bye na, Wonder Woman! Ah, gabi na pala. Magta-12 na. Anong pangalan nito? Hi, Kuya. Iba-vlog kita. Anong pangalan mo, Kuya?
Alfred Rivera po.
Ah, Mr. Alfred Rivera. So, nagbebenta po ng chicken breast embutido. And peanut, ito yung benta niya mga loves. Wow, nag-double timing si Kuya. Good job. Bibili tayo ng ano.
Try nyo. Basta mo, bago na tulto.
Oo, sige, para may ulam kami. So, bibili kami ng embutido ni Kuya.
Wala na.
And then, you can contact him. Ano ba to, Kuya?
Yun yung ano eh, masarap.
80 pesos?
80 po.
80 pesos.
80 pesos lang.
And then, 0921 982 1926. Okay, so yan yung phone number ni Kuya mga loves. So pwede niyo siyang
Personal review. Masarap yung peanut
kinain
butter.
namin yung peanut butter last time ni Kuya Alfred. Very good.
Ano po yun? Last year po ata yun, mga November eh. Nasakyan ko kayo. Galing Eastwood.
O galing Eastwood siya, no? Parang binalik siya ako sa nila sakay ng mga set. Kung wala to kandaan po yung iba eh.
Sabi ko nga sa misis ko noon na wala na tayong peanut butter. Tapos yun, hindi na kita nakita ulit. Ngayon lang. Tapos wala pong peanut butter.
Long time na sir. Lagi ako dyan sir, pagkakitong oras. Lagi ako dyan sa Starbucks.
Ano ba itong malunggay, Kuya? Ano ba yung
Powder po.
Peanut butter with malunggay pala yun. May malunggay.
Magawa ng malunggay ma'am eh.
May healthy.
Pinatutuyo ko muna siya. Pagka tuyo, saka ko siya i-blender, magiging powder na siya. Pero ang ginagawa pa niya sa pagpapatuyo, hindi binibilad.
Anong ginagawa?
Kundi air dryer. Hangin lang na tuyo. Yung hangin na mainit. Para yun ang magpapatuyo mismo sa malunggay. Pagka ibibilad, nag-evaporate ang kanyang substance.
Tama.
Wala. Kaya ang mas maganda kung hangin na mainit ang gagamit
Yung
magpapatuyo.
bata namin, mahilig na sana eh. Mga peanut butter na.
You like peanut butter, King?
Saka bread.
You like peanut butter?
Gusto nyo, diyan kayo sasabi, kung gusto nyo po send mo kasi drop by ko na lang po sa inyo peanut butter. Kung anong oras po kayo dyan sa inyong
Ay, peanut butter.
Pwede.
Drop by ko.
Look, here's the new house.
Sige po. Sige, ituturo namin anong doorbell para doorbell lang po kayo.
Sige po. Tapos isang doorbell lang ako sir para palatandaan na ako yun. Isang pindot na ako ng doorbell.
So mga loves, nandito na kami sa bahay. And nakita niyo naman kanina, pauwi kami and sa taxi. Ito nga pala yung outfit ko. Flowery fight. Tinanggal ko rin yung aking cardigan. So, yun. But in reality, ang baboy-baboy ko.
Long laundry, nanay?
Si nanay lang mag-wash niyan. So, di ka sa camera kasi wala kang dress. So, yun mga loves. So, nakita ni Boy Pilas, yung taxi driver na nagbebenta ng peanut butter, yung mas na peanut butter dati na nakuha namin. And that's ngayon, binila namin siya ng embutido. So, itatry ko if masarap ba yung embutido niya. And then, yun, we're just happy that not there. Laundry yan, kay dirty. We were just happy.
Laundry.
Oh, you get your dress. We were just happy to help other people.
Laundry.
So, by tomorrow, I will be shipping the... Yeah. I will be shipping the, mga loves, yung mga prizes na napanalunan ng ating mga winners. So, congratulations sa mga hindi nanalo. Don't worry, we will have another raffle very, very soon. So, sali kayo. Legit kami. Legit kami. Sinesend namin yung mga prizes. Okay, so yun mga loves. So, for now, we are going to sign off. Kasi meron pa akong work. Boy Pilas, may gagawin pa siya dahil tomorrow may activity sila. And he will be vlogging tomorrow sa kanyang activity. Tingnan natin if maganda yung vlog niya. So, we're gonna bye-bye muna kami. Bye-bye.
I got Mama Wee Wee.
Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Wait. Bye-bye. Love you mga love. Mwah!
This is